Uh-oh.
Whoa.
It's got a bubble. Action. I don't want to squeeze it and have it pop hot coolant in my hand. That shit is warm. What are we doing today?
Oh, we gotta replace that now. What the fuck?
You wanna go get that now? You wanna do that?
What's the main project for the day? What's the main project?
Get my fucking wiring harness rerouted. We're gonna see how much of a pain that is.
Into the engine bay. From
Yeah,
the wheel well.
it's gonna come in through right there and go over this way instead of
up there.
We'll show you how bad it is.
Yeah, it's rubbing through.
That's been there though.
What is it?
Exposed wiring.
Show.
So, see? Wiring harness right there, and then you go right here, and then you go whoop. Yeah, I would say you're rubbing through just a little bit. There's some bare, there's some bare wire.
I even know this. That's why I'm doing it.
We're disconnecting the rest of the harness. This is what that plastic was in the fender.
I can't.
It's probably a good idea. And I was rubbing through that, exposing some wires. We got to pull the battery because we're going to be pulling it through this right here. And we got to take it out the bracket, pull it out all the way so we can have all the space.
Tasha, what you doing, man?
Check the route where this is going to be going. You see, it's the wiring up here, but back here, it splits in two from the grommet. One goes into the engine bay, one goes over the wheel well. We're just sending them both into the engine bay.
You see?
It's pulling it through.
See the light?
Yeah, there's a light on the other side.
What do you know? There's
everything's disconnected on the other side.
One thing left.
Or you're just starting to work it out over here.
Well, I'm just trying to I'm just trying to see how it all works.
Alright guys, so there's some progress here. Connector undone, connector undone, and there was a big one up there. So we're gonna try and pull it through here in a second, but you can see this is a fucking shit show under here. But the joys of wiring. Yeah, you see Cooper pulling it right now. Get that shit out of there.
When did you cut this?
There you go.
There we go.
Hold on. Let me see if you're jammed on anything. Oh, shit. Hold on. All right. Death-defying razor here. Cutting into this.
There's a metal piece back there. Do I have to cut the metal piece? It's rubber then metal.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, like at that lip?
Yeah.
I don't know, you might have to, yeah.
Damn.
Some thick rubbish.
I think you might. Do we have? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Putting her in.
Through.
So we just got. Oh, I'm so sorry. Damn. Causing destruction and mayhem here. We just got this apart, and yeah, we had to cut this open so we could get the harness through.
Is it gonna
And
fit?
right now, we're doing some shoving. Close-up arm cam here.
This is scary.
Okay, there we go.
Twisting it. It like that twist.
Yeah.
Hold on. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I'm just pulling it, man. Yeah, buddy. It's free.
Yeah, buddy. Here we go.
It's looping back in on itself. Hold on.
We need to figure
figure
pinch
out.
it. You don't want to pinch it.
I know. I was trying to.
There we go. See? Harness through.
In the
Look at that. Look at that.
That's gonna be the auto-generated thumbnail.
I know.
It's always just somebody smiling.
Okay.
Through here.
Where are we routing it?
Through here.
Oh.
Where I've already been routing.
Yeah,
stuff.
where the other wiring is looped through.
Now,
It's just
now
gonna
I
go
now I fully understand the situation.
It's gonna go.
What is it? We're in the position to route now.
We're in position.
We're in position to route.
Down in that hole.
Look at this here.
Little corrosion.
So we got some right there. Yep, right there. There's some more right there. Hold up, hold up, hold up. More right here. Yes, 3 wires right here. But that's what we have electrical tape for.
So it is now routed through. Brought it around. It's going in there.
I expected that to be so much
Out
harder.
here.
I'm gonna be honest.
There are the plugs. There's the hole to go back in.
Expected that to. I like you. I expected this.
Get that new fancy loom on there. Now we just have to bring all the big connectors back through that tiny hole.
So one thing that has to be removed for this is the washer fluid reservoir, since the wiring is now coming up through the hole where the top of it ran through. We're just removing we could just have this top part off and leave the reservoir, but we're just gonna take the whole reservoir out anyways and just leave it out. Switching out the battery terminals because the old ones were toast. New hose is on. Everything's all tucked up. Finishing touches. About to throw the wheel back on.
Those 4 plugs. That's right, folks. 4 plugs you gotta
plugs
disconnect.
only.
Yep.
Just for this whole harness and the wheel well.
This is not a hammer. Do not do what I'm doing.
Anything's a hammer.
Nope.
Got everything plugged back in, just double checking. Bleeding the coolant. Last thing we gotta do is just put the grommet back on. Put the wheel back on and we're done. Grommet is in. It's all bolted back in. What are you doing now with the zip ties?
Well, we did it to clearance it, but we're still gonna clearance it some more. And then we'll be done. There's one wire that's disconnected, and we're gonna leave it disconnected.
One wire, you got
One
messed
wire
up.
had a repair back in the day, and they did a real shit job, and I don't think it ever worked, and still not gonna work today.
Yep.
We did everything right too, because we even have 2 spare parts.
That's just for the reservoir that we took out.
So 3 spare parts.
Want me to close your trunk?
Yes, please.
Okay, all done. Like no time spent in the last clip for you guys, but it was like an hour for us. Just putting everything back together, you know, put the skirts on, put the wheel on, get the car off the 2 posts, putting everything up. Next week, you'll be seeing us put a bride seat in my car.